हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। पॉलिटी सीरीज़ हम कर रहे हैं। इसमें नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जो है वो है नेशनल सिंबल्स का। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द नेशनल फ्लैग विच इज़ ट्राई कलर is rectangular in shape and consists of three colors. The ratio of the length of the flag to its width is 3:2. Length of the flag to its width is 3:2. The color of the top band is deep saffron, which is the symbol of strength and courage. Middle band is white, symbol of peace and truth. And bottom one is green, dark green, symbol of fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. It has 24 spokes and its design is that of the wheel, which appears on the abacus of the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashok. It is a symbol of justice. The national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah. The present design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947. The description of the importance of three colors and a wheel in our national flag by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan is mentioned in the Flag Code of India. The state emblem is an adoption from the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashok. It was adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950. The words Satyamev Jayate from Mundak Upanishad is inscribed at the bottom in the Devanagari script. The national anthem of India, Jan Gan Man, was officially adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. It was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. Chairman was Pandit Bishan Narayan Dar. It was authored by Rabindranath Tagore. The playing time of the full version is approximately 52 seconds. The song Vande Mataram was adopted as a national song by the Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950. It is taken from the novel Anand Mat, authored by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was first sung at 1896 session of the Indian National Congress. Chairman at that time was Rahimatullah Sayani. The national calendar based on Shak era, Chaitra as its first month and Fagun as the last was adopted on 22nd March 1957 along with the Gregorian calendar. Generally the month of Chaitra begins on 22nd March, but in the leap years it begins on 21 March. The national flower of India is lotus. National fruit is mango. The national tree is banyan tree. While the government has clearly stated in the Rajya Sabha that no notification has been issued regarding India having a national flower, national fruit and national tree. The national animal is the magnificent tiger. National bird is Indian peacock. The national aquatic animal is the mammal Ganges river dolphin. The river Ganga was declared the national river by the Government of India in the year 2008. The Government of India declared the Independence Day 15th August, Republic Day on 26 January and birth anniversary of Gandhiji on 2nd October as national days. In which year was Jan Gan Man adopted as a national anthem of India? 1950. Constituent Assembly accepted Jan Gan Man as a national anthem on 24th January 1950. A formal rendition of the national anthem takes 52 seconds. When the Hindi version of national anthem Jan Gan Man was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India? Same question. Originally it was in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as a national anthem of India on 24 January 1950. It was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. A complete or formal rendition of national anthem takes 52 seconds. Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India and its formal rendition takes 52 seconds, while a shortened version consisting of the first and the last line takes 20 seconds to play. The state emblem was adopted by Government of India on 26th January 1950, which is extracted from Ashoka pillar at Sarnath, was adopted by the Government of India on 26th January 1950. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag? On 22nd July 1947. Consider the following statements. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. ये आपने ऊपर देखा ही. Wheel in the national flag has 21 spokes. No, it has 24 spokes. Ratio of the width of the national flag to its length is 3:4. No, it is width of the national flag to its length is 2:3. लेंथ टू विड्थ ऊपर दिया था 3:2, यहाँ पे इन्होंने विड्थ टू लेंथ पूछा है, तो सिर्फ ओनली 1 इज करेक्ट. ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया अडॉप्टेड द नेशनल फ्लैग? ऑन 22nd July 1947. On which day the design of the national flag of India was adopted? Question number 9. Consider the following statements in respect of the national flag of India according to Flag Code of India 2002. Statement 1. One of the standard sizes of the national flag of India is 600 mm into 400 mm. Statement 2. The ratio of the length to the height, that is width of the flag, shall be 3:2. Which one of the following is correct in respect of other statements? Above statements. The Flag Code of India 2002 allowed the unrestricted display of the tricolor as long as the honor and dignity of the flag were being respected. It takes effect from January 26, 2002 for the sake of convenience. It is divided into 3 parts. General description of the tricolor, rules on display of the flag by public and private bodies and educational institutions, rules for the display of the flag by governments and government bodies according to the provision of the code. The national flag shall be rectangular in shape and the ratio of the national flag to the height of the flag shall be 3:2. The standard sizes of the national flag shall be as follows. Dimensions are given in millimeter. So there is no such size जहाँ पर आपका 600 by 400 mm depicted हो. This is not acceptable as per the flag code. So only statement 2 is correct, 1 is wrong. Next, the total number of spokes in the national flag of India are 24. India's national animal is tiger. To improve the decreasing population and to protect tigers, the Tiger Conservation Project was started in April 1973. ये environment में पढ़ते हैं आप Project Tiger. Which is the national flower of India? It is lotus. National bird of India is peacock. It is notable that banyan is the national tree, mango is the national fruit, Satyamev Jayate is the national motto taken from Mundak Upanishad and inscribed in the script at the base of national emblem, which has been adopted from lion capital of Ashoka erected at Sarnath. Varanasi. The Ganges River dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. What does the wheel on the Indian national flag symbolizes? It symbolizes justice. आप हिस्ट्री में पढ़ते हैं अशोक का धम्म चक्र प्रवर्तन, तो उससे ही ये इंस्पायर्ड है. Wheel on the white strip of national flag having 24 spokes is adopted from Ashok Chakra, which is the depiction of Dharma Chakra represented by 24 spokes. It symbolizes the wheel of law. So justice is the correct answer. With reference to the national calendar, which of the statements is correct? The national calendar of India is based on Vikram era. आपने ऊपर पढ़ा था कि ये शाक era पर based है. National calendar is adopted from January 26, 1950. तो नहीं, ये अडॉप्ट किया गया था 22 मार्च 1957 में. तो both statements are incorrect. यहाँ पर ये नेशनल सिंबल्स वाला चैप्टर ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे स्टेट्स एंड द यूनियन टेरिटरीज.